Good morning, Year 3. It's Mrs. Collins here with Monday's Maths. Pause the video to write today's short date and learning objective, to multiply by 4. Press play when you're ready to start. Welcome back. Have you got your pencil ready and your maths book? Let's get going. Our starter activity today is ready for us to work through. Can you read it with me? How much more is 25 than 18? We've got the bar model to help us. You can see the bar's got two pieces. The first piece is a whole piece and it's got the number 25, and the second piece is being split into two smaller pieces, 18 and something. And this is to represent that 18 plus something else equals 25. Or you could work this out with a subtraction. 25 subtract 18 gives us the missing number. Can you work this out brain only? How much more is 25 than 18? You might want to put 18 in your mind and count up, or do the takeaway. Pause the video and give it a go. Welcome back. Did you try to find the answer? I hope so. I worked it out using a subtraction. I did 25 take away 18 equals 7. The missing number on the bar was 7. 25 is 7 more than 18. Did you get it right? Let's see if you can have a go yourself. On the screen you'll see the Chiller Challenge. Choose the one you feel comfortable with. Read the question here at the side. How much more is 12 than 9? It says for the mile challenge. Use the bar to help you if you want to draw pictures or write things or do a subtraction or addition sum, that's fine. Pause the clip, see if you can work out the answers and press play when you're ready to go through. Welcome back, Year 3. Let's see if you got these answers right. Shout them out. How much more is 12 than 9? The answer was 3. 12 is 3 more than 9. Well done. Give yourself a tick if you got that right. How much more is 24 than 19? Shout it out. That's right. 24 is 5 more than 19. Well done. How much more is 32 than 9? Shout your answer out. 23. 32 is 23 more than 9. How many did you get right? Well done for giving it a go. Let's move on to our Skills Sharp session. For Skills Sharp this morning, we're doing addition problems. Can you read this problem with me? Which pairs of weights make 10 grams when placed on the scales? You can see we've got some weights here and a set of weighing scales. If we put two of these weights in, which two would make 10 grams? Can you do this addition brain only? Have a little think. Can you write the answers in your book? Let's have a look. We've got 7 grams. What do we add to 7 grams to get 10? That's right, 3 grams, which is there. 7 grams add 3 grams would give us 10 grams. What about 2 grams? 2 grams add, what other numbers have we got? 6, 8, 4. It's 8 grams, isn't it? 2 grams add 8 grams. Then we've got 6 grams. What could we add to 6 grams to get 10 grams? That's right. 4 grams equals 10. 6 add 4, 2 add 8, 7 add 3. Well done. Do you think you could have a go at this independently? On the screen, you'll see the Chiller Challenge that you need to choose, and it's asking you to make a different weight. So Mild Challenge is asking you to make 20 grams. Spicy Challenge is asking you to make 30 grams. and hot challenge is asking you to make 50 grams. Using these weights, can you make that total? There might be more than one way to make it. Pause the clip, try your best, give yourself a few minutes, and press play when you're ready to go through. Welcome back. Have you had a go at these challenges? Did you just do one of them, or did you move on to the next one? Well done if you've really challenged yourself on this. Let's have a look at the mild challenge. How can we make 20 grams with the weights that you've got? Well, we could have done 8 grams add 12 grams, or 15 grams add 5 grams. Give yourself a tick if you got those right. The spicy challenge asked you to make 30 grams with the weights. What did you get? 4 grams add 26 grams, 10 grams add 20 grams. Give yourself a tick if you got that right. Well done. Which weights make 50 grams for the hot challenge? 32 and 18, 19 grams and 31 grams. I wonder if anybody's done all 3 challenges this morning and has really aimed high with their maths. Well done if you have. Okay, pop your pencil down and listen up to what's next. Today's new learning is all about the 4 times table. Do you know your 4 times table? Don't worry if not, because I'd like you to spend some time this morning before we carry on practicing your 4s. It might be a good idea to write your 4 times table into your home learning book, then you can always come back to it. Or you might want to pause the screen and use what you can see on the screen to practice your 4s. I'd like you to pause it and choose to chant your 4 times table. Can you chant it with boxing moves? Can you chant it jumping up and down? Can you chant it with head, shoulders, knees and toes movements? So if you're sat at your table or your sofa right now, I'd like you to stand up, get moving, practice. 1 times 4 equals 4, 2 times 4 equals 8. However you want to do it, singing, dancing, boxing, jumping up and down. The most important thing is that you're practicing your 4 times table. Pause the video now, give yourself 5 minutes to practice and press play when you're ready to move on. Welcome back, Year 3. Have you practiced your 4s? Do you think you know them off by heart? Let's see if you can work on these 4 times table challenges. Get your pencil ready. On the screen we've got a ladder with multiples of 4, but some of them are missing. It's not started at 1 times 4, it's started at the number 12, and we know that 3 times 4 equals 12. So if we're starting at 12, what's the next multiple of 4 going to be? Then you've got 20. Then what's the next multiple going to be? And the last 2. Could you write them down in your book? Let's go through them together. So we know 3 times 4 is 12. Say it with me. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 4 is 24. 7 times 4 is 28. 8 times 4 is 32. 9 times 4 is 36. Well done if you got those right. You're going to be doing lots of challenges like this in your book today, so if you haven't got the 4 times table written down, it's a really good idea to have it there to help you, or use your times table grid from your pack. Let's have a look at this challenge. Oh, we've got some pictures of children. The sentence says there are groups of children. How many groups have we got? Let's count together. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. There are 3 groups of children. many children are in each group? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 children in each group. So how many are there altogether? We've just practiced our 4s. Let's count up in 4s together. 4, 8, 12. There are 12 children altogether. So what sum or calculation does this representation show us? It shows us that 3 lots of 4 equals 12. Does that make sense? Let's see if we can have a go at another challenge. Write the calculation shown in this representation. We've not got children this time, we've got dice showing 4. Let's have a look how many we've got, how many groups we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 groups. How many spots in each? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in each. So it's showing us 6 lots of 4, or 6 times 4. Let's count up in 4s together. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 24. 6 times 4 equals 24. Let's have a look at this challenge. This time we've got an array. Use the array to complete the fact family. Let's have a look at the array. Let's count with me. Let's go down first. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got 4 times. Let's go across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 times 5. Let's count in 4s. 5s together. 5, 10, 15, 20. 4 times 5 equals 20. Could you pause the clip and write the other multiplication and division facts to go with this array? Press play when you're ready to go through the answers. Okay, so we knew that 4 times 5 equals 20. We can say that the other way around. 5 times 4 equals 20. Division fact would have started with the number 20. 20 divided by 5 in a row. 5 equals 4. And 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Did you get all of those facts in your family? Give yourself a tick if you did. Well done, Year 3. In your learning packs, you've got a sheet that looks like this. It's got your mild, spicy and hot challenge and some extra challenges on the back. All of the challenges ask you to use your knowledge of the 4 times table. So remember to go back to it if you get stuck. Some of the challenges you'll recognise from the ones I've just gone through with you. So I hope they're pretty simple and easy for you to get on with independently. And I hope they challenge you and get your brain working this morning. If you need any help or you want to share your work, you can email your teachers at the Year 3 email address. Hope you've enjoyed today's learning. We'll see you back tomorrow for more maths. Good luck!